With the many different desktop computers that are on the market, finding one that matches your needs can be difficult. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best desktop computers on the market this year based on price versus performance and what they are used for. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which desktop computer will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is CYBERPOWERPC GXiVR8060A5, our choice for the best budget gaming desktop computer. The CYBERPOWERPC GXiVR8060A5 features a powerful Intel Core i5-8400 2.8 GHz 6-core processor, as well as 8 GB of DDR4 memory. This hardware will definitely allow you to multitask and play modern games without any issues. There is also a 1 TB hard drive and 120 GB solid-state drive. You will have all the storage space necessary for your games and other data. This desktop computer's NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card has 3 GB of RAM, delivering smooth and lag-free gaming. It is VR ready, which allows you to get the ultimate immersive gaming experience. It is optimized for gaming at ultra-high settings and resolutions for a smooth and detailed picture. You can use virtual reality devices like the HTC Vive and Oculus Rift. There are numerous connectivity options to choose from, including one HDMI output, DVI port, and a single display port. This means that you can have multiple external displays. This computer is DirectX 12 optimized, which is perfect if you are a serious gamer. It helps deliver incredible graphics and faster processing to eliminate annoying choppiness. When you purchase this computer, you will also get a 7-color RGB gaming mouse and keyboard. The backlit mouse has a responsive design that will give you the edge necessary to beat the competition. The keyboard features a number of multimedia keys and an ergonomic design. It has a very comfortable and natural overall feel. Measuring 18.5 by 7.9 by 17.9 inches with a weight of 27 pounds, it's not the most compact desktop on the market, but we have definitely seen bigger. The RGB ring fans in this computer are fully addressable and do an excellent job of keeping the internal components cool. You won't have to worry about overheating, even during particularly long gaming sessions. Priced at around $800, you will get exactly what you need for smooth and enjoyable gaming on a budget. Number 4 on our list is CORSAIR One Pro, our choice for the best gaming desktop computer. The CORSAIR One Pro has an ultra-durable steel internal frame and aluminum exterior that makes it a particularly sturdy desktop computer. It features bright and colorful RGB lighting on the front facade, which is a definitive upgrade from previous models. There are also ventilation holes along the sides that help to keep the internal parts cool at all times. This computer's Intel Core i7-8700K processor features a total of 6 cores and 12 threads. It is capable of running up to 4.7 GHz to match all of your gaming needs. You also get a whopping 16 GB of DDR4 memory, which makes it easier than ever to maintain a high level of efficiency no matter what you are doing. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card is liquid-cooled and features 8 GB of GDDR5X memory. It will definitely enhance your overall gaming experience in every way. The 2 TB hard drive and 480 GB solid-state drive provide you with all the data storage you could possibly need. You won't have to worry about upgrading your storage anytime soon. One of the best things about this computer is its liquid cooling system, which reduces heat to prevent damage to the internal components. It functions very quietly at all times, so you won't be distracted from your gaming. Measuring 7.9 by 6.9 by 15 inches with a total weight of 16.27 pounds, this desktop computer has a nice compact design that doesn't take up a ton of space. It is fairly easy to carry around when you want to take it over to a friend's for a LAN party. The CORSAIR One Pro is VR ready and can provide you with a highly immersive and breathtaking 4K gaming experience. This means that you get the very best graphics and visuals no matter what. Number 3 on our list is Apple iMac, our choice for the best Apple desktop computer. The Apple iMac features a pretty impressive 21.5-inch 4096 by 2304 Retina 4K display that will blow your mind with its sharpness and level of detail. It delivers a brilliant picture with exceptionally accurate color display. The 5mm design of this computer makes it ultra slim, so it won't take up much room on your desk. This computer's quad-core 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor can reach speeds of up to 3.8 GHz with Turbo Boost. It is combined with 8 GB of RAM for maximum power and speed. It will help you enjoy your favorite games without any lag, choppiness, or other annoying problems. The Intel Iris Plus Graphics 640 delivers a smooth and more immersive gaming experience. It allows for modern seamless gaming with incredible graphics that you simply have to see in order to truly believe. There are 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports that will provide you with ultra-fast data transfer and charging speeds. You'll also have 4 USB 3 ports, Gigabit Ethernet, a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, SDXC card slot, and a Kensington lock slot. The FaceTime HD camera that is built into this desktop will make it easy for you to chat with family and friends. It has an incredible quality picture and audio with a built-in microphone. When you purchase this computer, you will also get the new Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad. It will allow you to do everything from edit spreadsheets to navigate apps with just the push of a button. This keyboard has an incredibly intuitive design that will only improve your gaming skills. Measuring 17.7 by 20.8 by 6.9 inches with a weight of 12.5 pounds, the iMac is a very lightweight computer that will easily fit on your desk without any issues. It has an incredibly sleek and modern design that is right at home in any setting. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is Acer Aspire TC-885-ACCFLi5O, our choice for the best budget desktop computer. The Acer Aspire TC-885-ACCFLi5O has the same sturdy chassis as its predecessors, but the addition of V-shaped orange LED around the power button is new. The right half of the tower stores the DVD drive along with a couple of I/O ports. There are numerous connectivity options to take advantage of, including a USB 3.1 Type-C port, a single USB 3.1 port, microphone and headphone jacks, and an SD card reader. You will also have 2 additional USB 3.1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 2 HDMI outputs, and a VGA port in the rear. There is also an Ethernet port, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. The 8th generation Intel Core i5-8400 processor can reach up to 4 GHz without breaking a sweat. You also get 8 GB of DDR4 memory and 16 GB of Intel Optane memory. This makes it easier than ever for you to play your favorite games without any problems whatsoever. The 2TB 7200 RPM SATA hard drive will give you ample storage space for your games, movies, photos, and everything else. If you want a truly seamless modern gaming experience, you'll be sure to appreciate the Intel UHD Graphics 630 in this computer. It will let you enjoy HD graphics for a smooth and sharp picture all the time. One of the other impressive things about this computer is its 5.1 channel surround sound. It will give you more immersive gaming and movie watching to be sure. Any serious gamer knows that the audio is a big part of the gaming experience. Measuring 13.8 by 6.4 by 13.4 inches with a weight of 16.65 pounds, this desktop isn't quite as big or heavy as some of the previous models. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but still offers incredible power and efficiency from its CPU to the modern lightning-fast connectivity options. Number 1 on our list is Microsoft Surface Studio 2, our choice for the best desktop computer for creators. The Microsoft Surface Studio 2 features an Intel Core i7-3960X processor that can go up to 1.3 GHz. You also have 16 GB of RAM for smooth and seamless multitasking. The 515 nit 28-inch screen boasts an incredibly bright and sharp display that is perfect for photo editing and creation. It gives you deeper blacks and lighter whites for increased overall color depth and accuracy. You can tilt the display to work at 20 degrees down in studio mode or upright in desktop mode. This means that you'll always have an easy time finding the right angle for all of your artistic endeavors. An NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card enables you to do photo editing work and much more without any lag or delay. It makes it easy to create whatever type of art you want in a seamless virtual environment. This computer's USB-C ports offer a fast and efficient connectivity option that charges devices very quickly. This replaces the DisplayPort from the previous model, which we ultimately think is a good thing. There is also a USB-C 3.1 port and USB 3.0 ports available. The Surface Pen that comes with this desktop computer attaches to the left side of the display via magnetic design. This pen is very responsive and easy to use for drawing, writing, and a variety of other tasks. You also get a 5-megapixel webcam with a 1080p resolution that features infrared sensors for facial recognition. It will definitely come in handy for video chatting with friends, family, and coworkers. The Office 365 and other software tools that come with this computer will allow you to bring your creative ideas to life in a natural way. Measuring 21.6 by 25.1 by 8.6, this computer weighs a total of 20.9 pounds. It is not the most compact desktop on the market, but it's far from the bulkiest. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.